Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. I have a very special unboxing. So if you're here to see what Miss Tamika is talking about, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to go ahead and click on that subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this here unboxing, okay? But before we get into the unboxing, I'm gonna just let you know what it is. I did just get my iPhone 17 Pro Max, okay? I got it today. I'm so happy I got it today because tomorrow my daughter has something to do. So God is good all the time, and all the time God is good, okay? I had to wait till tomorrow. She wouldn't have been here and I have to work. So I did purchase some stuff off of Amazon. Purchased a screen protector, and I also purchased a case. So here is the case that I had purchased. Okay, I thought that was. So I ended up purchasing this here iPhone case. This is not the Caseify case, but it kind of reminds you of the Caseify case. So yeah, this is one of the cases that I bought. Can y'all guess what color? Can y'all guess what color? Okay. And then, okay, so this here is my screen protector. I was going to get the, is my screen protector. So I plan to put this on my new iPhone. And I also got these here little ringlets for the camera. I had them on my other iPhone before I got this 16. So I ended up getting some more. This case off of Amazon. These here, everything is off of Amazon. So I will link it down below for you all to click. Yeah, this is the phone case that came with a screen protector. So I'm not sure if I keep what I have or return. I don't know. But yeah, this is the phone case that I purchased. So it looks like this is an insert where you can take it off or keep it on. Get what you pay for. So as you know, I have the Pro Max because you can see the cutout. All right, y'all. Last but not least, let's get on to this here iPhone, okay? Drum roll, please. I don't know how to make the sound. Your girl got the iPhone 17 Pro Max in the cosmic orange. Got the bright ass orange color. But it's fine because anybody that knows me knows I'm loud, okay? So who wants to get a boring white or blue or black phone? Not me. Nope, not me, okay? Bright ass color, okay? And I did get the 1 terabyte because it's like go big or go home, right? That's why everything is already peeled. So here I'm going to actually show you the phone, okay? Because I'm going to set everything up so I can ship her back. Yo, when I tell you this thing is so pretty about this color, y'all, I'm telling you. Like, who wants a boring white or silver or whatever color phone? Like, come on, y'all. I did go back to my Pro Max because a Plus, a Pro, or something. So I'm used to like the, the bigger phones. So this here is the 16 Plus, which is, of course, the bigger phone. And then I think I had the 15 Pro Max. So I'm used to having big phones, you all. So here we go. How you do it? They had taught me this at work. So here's the iPhone thing. The box, you all. You know, with a magnet. She comes in here and knocked down all my stuff. Did you feed her? So this is what comes in a box. I feel like the cord is like really thin. Don't it look thin? So hold on, y'all. This is my son. Back. So here's the charger, y'all. I feel like it's a lot thinner than the previous chargers. Yeah, it is. It's a whole lot thinner. But it's the same type of charger cord. And I like the way it's made because I feel like the way it's made, it won't tear up as easily. Inside, you got your iPhone information. No stickers. Remember, I used to get stickers. So there are no stickers. So, like I said, she is so beautiful. That's what it was, the privacy screen. I was going to purchase the privacy screen for this particular iPhone, but I don't know. I just felt like if you get a privacy phone, correct me if I'm wrong. Like if you have a privacy screen on your phone, do it take away from the brightness on your phone? Like I have a hard time seeing, so I'm just wondering, like, will it take away the brightness or whatever? All right, so really quick before I actually turn her on, let's see how this case looks. I'm gonna wait to pull this tab just to see. And my daughter did not like, color wasn't a good color. And I was just like, she's like, what about when you put cases on? I don't know. I'm that person. I don't follow the rules. Everything have to be lined up correctly, okay? And I say that to say pink and orange to me matches, okay? Like I don't care about the color orange and pink because to me it looks cute, right? So here's the phone on, but I just wanted to show you how it looks with that case. And let me get the other case just to see. I'm sure about this here cutout part, but I have been told that the camera is so much better. So here it is in that phone case. So it's cute. And if you that person that's like, oh, the orange is too much, you can always like I said, cover it with a case. Because how many times do we keep our cell phones in a case? Because me, I don't live on the edge. Everything I buy, as far as my iPhone, stay in the case. I'm getting a little headache. Says United Kingdom. Would do medium. Quickly set up your phone. Bring your current phone or iPad near. All right, so this is my current phone, which is the 16 plus, and I had the pink phone. Right now it says connect. So I take this phone to scan here. It says getting things ready. Set up your new iPhone setup for me. So now we are in setup mode. It says keep this iPhone near your new iPhone while your information is transferred. Confirm your phone number. This phone number should match the one provided. Yes, it does. Activating your iPhone, y'all. If you are a long time iPhone user, remember how you had to go into the store and you had to get them to help you with setting up your phone. Like I was always a techie type of person, so a lot of times I was able to do everything myself. Like I could call the phone, the 1-800 number, and they can like walk me through it. And I was always good with just doing it myself. But I know some people wasn't the case for some people. But it's just like things have changed because like I said, back in the day, it was a whole thing with transferring everything and connecting everything. So now you can do it in the privacy of your own home. Worry about calling or, going into the stores. So now I'm just letting this connect and trying to clean up my mess. It's activated. It says my number is now activated on this phone. So I do have to turn this phone in. I was going to ship the phone, like send it back and package it and ship it, but I'm gonna just drop it off at a local AT&T store because a software update with AT&T store will be a lot better, because just in case they try to lie, because I think my brother, he enjoy your new iPhone. When you're ready, come back to get this iPhone ready to be traded in or sold or given away. What's next for this? So yeah, like I was saying, I remember when my brother had an iPhone, he shipped it back, and they never received it, or it was just a whole big thing. And I was like, yeah, we ain't got time for that. Like, we not doing that, okay? Because I need for everything to I need my phone to be credited back to my account, however they do that, because I am on the, hold on. Hey, Fifi. Well, I tell you, she followed me all around this house, y'all. Just updating my iPhone. Here we go. I might end up using this here case. Now, y'all, you know how I like the Sunny Angels. I won't be able to put a Sunny Angel on here anymore, y'all. Fifi. Fifi. I tell you, I done bought her so many different toys, but she like to play with paper, boxes, and stuff. Look at her. Fifi, you say hi. And this is the rug that I used to film on. See, here she go. You say hi, Fifi. All right, so my phone is updating. I don't think I can use my old phone anymore because I just had somebody call me. Daughter. Hi. You want to do my lashes? She ripped the paper. Yeah. You know when I got my Amazon package, she was just sitting on top of the brown bag. Yeah, Fifi, all them toys you got. But anywho, bye. Okay. All right, y'all. So we are back to the home screen. So let's see. All right, so I'm setting up the phone. But yeah, y'all, if y'all got the new iPhone, let me know down below which one did y'all get. Let me use my face. All right, so it says for me to transfer everything from my iPhone, it's going to take 20 to 25 minutes. I'm not going to stay talking to you all that long. Just know that she is set up and finished. Hey, Fifi. Got a little headache, so I'm going to take something really quick and lay down and relax. I don't have to go to work early tomorrow, which is a good thing. The iPhone 17 Pro Max, the 1 terabyte. Pretty. Yeah, I love that dress. I got that dress, I think, from TJ Maxx. I'm tired. So I guess the next time I'll turn on my vlogging camera is when I will, hold on. Make this your new iPhone. Here's everything set up as you had on your iPhone. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go, you all. I'm getting a little headache. I'm about to take something on my vlogging camera. I'll be able to update you all and talk a little bit more about this iPhone. I just wanted to go ahead and start the unboxing and things like that so I can go ahead and start using her. So with that being said, if y'all enjoyed this here unboxing, y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to go ahead and give y'all girl a big thumbs up because y'all, it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Mwah.